Welcome back to the SQL Dojo, where you too can learn to be a SQL master. All right, so hopefully you've been practicing your SQL skills and have not been breaking bricks with your forehead or boards with your hands. But to quickly review, last time we talked about 4 things you can do: insert, select, update, and delete. Well, today we're going to talk about something else that goes along primarily with the select and delete statements. It's very important because without it, they're not going to work so well. Okay? It's called the from clause. The from clause is not related to Santa Claus in any way, shape, or form. The from clause basically tells SQL where do you want to get your data from. Okay? What table is going to be affected by what you're doing. Okay? So if I told you, hey, can you get me the salt shaker from the cabinet in the kitchen, you would know where to go. If I just said, get me the salt shaker, well, if you told me that, I might wind up in the bedroom looking around saying, I don't know, I can't find a salt shaker in here. Let me try the bathroom. Maybe it's in the attic. I don't know. But if you tell me from the cabinet in the kitchen, oh, now I know where to go to get you the salt shaker you want. Okay, so that is the purpose of the from clause. You need it in just about every SQL statement. You can select variables, like if you want to know what version of SQL you're running, you select at version, but you're telling it the variable, so the from clause is not needed there because it knows you're selecting the value from the variable in the query. But we'll talk about variables at a later time. Don't worry about that for now. So I gave you a little freebie there. But from tells it the table or tables, because we might do joins, but again, that's later, okay, that you want the action to be performed on. So let me give you an example. Oh, yes. So, like I said, insert, select, update, and delete are verbs. From is a preposition indicating the source of the data. I should probably follow my notes. Okay. And the syntax for it, the way you write it in the query, is from followed by a table name. Okay. From persons. Okay. Here, let's. Okay. You can select and then you list the columns that you want. So let's make up a pretend table called persons. And it has first name, last name, city, and country. Okay. Now this query that you see on your screen down here will fail. Okay. Because we're missing our friendly neighborhood from clause. So in order to fix this, we need to add the from clause. So now it says select first name, let's see, first name, last name, city, country from persons. Okay, so it all works. Okay, and you will get the data that you requested because it knows where to go to get the information. So you need the from clause. Not always, but you need the from clause to tell the statement where to look for the information. Now, I use the word where. We're going to talk about that next time. But basically, from tells it where to get the information. Let's put it that way. Where to get the information. Okay? Now, you can... Now, I said sometimes there's multiple tables. So I gave you an example of a join here. So now we have person, okay, joined with city. And so now you still need the from this table joined with that table. Okay, and we'll talk about how to do joins again later on. But I'm just giving you a couple examples. I said table or tables. This is tables. Okay. The summary of it all is from indicates which table or tables will be involved in the query. Okay, it's a simple concept. I just wanted to reiterate it a couple times. If you have any question, put it in the notes below. I'll read it and see if I can get back to you with an answer. And until next time, keep practicing SQL, keep getting better, and next time we will talk about the where clause. All right, not bear clause. I like to have those for breakfast, but the where clause. All right, take care. See you next time.